Still stalling. Still stalling. This man. I gotta go rob a bank. What? Well, why didn't you say so? Criminal bank. Oh, so technically if you rob it, it's not actually like a crime, but then again, you'll probably die. To fund the daycare rebuild. Ah, thanks, buddy. Dude, you shouldn't have given me some stuff. Thank you so much, bro. Yo, I'll be your sniper, dude. Check it out. Look. Trust me, I'm really good with a sniper. Watch this. Ready? Oh, what the? This thing is awesome. Yeah! Damn, this thing is so cool, bro. Jeff and I gonna rob a bank. It's super evil, so it's totally fine. Whoa! Whoa! Super secret ninjas. Ah! Jeff! I need backup! Okay, good. Go ahead. Do it, Jeff. Yes! Let's go! Oh, snap! Come on, Jeff. Get everything. Let's go. This is probably not a good idea. Get everything we can, bro. Get everything we possibly can. Come on, Jeff. We got this, buddy. We got this. Yes. Perfecto, bro. Perfecto. Welcome to the day of daycare. Yo, it's good to be back with a brand new day of daycare. It's always lit, man. Awesome. Okay, so let's see what Jeff the Moose is up to today. Wait, what's going on with the daycare? Why is there iron bars and stuff? Watch out for scary traps. Wait, what? Wait, oh my God, every time I'm always falling for traps and stuff. Hold on, what's going on with the daycare? Why is it, oh, dead body. Where'd that come from? And why is there cobwebs everywhere and stuff? What in the, this blood? What is this? Stop! Don't follow the sketchy redstone trail. I don't know about this, man. I don't know what's going on with the daycare, but I feel like Jeff is pranking me or something. Probably with the help of Skylar and stuff, because if you guys didn't know, yesterday, Jeff robbed a criminal bank, and I helped him out and stuff. You already know daycare's always crazy, man. And we got a bunch of young little cash money, and I took it all because Jeff was trying to steal from me. So, you get the point, but now I'm surprised. I'm kind of confused. Huh. This doesn't seem like something that Jeff would do, so I'm a little bit confused what's going on here. But maybe it's like a cool treasure hunt or something, man. All right, anyways, let's see. Let's go follow the sketchy redstone trail that, you're not supposed to follow ever in movies. But hey, we're gonna do exactly what it says. Okay. And stop! This is like in every horror movie, seriously. It's been seriously long, I'll tell you that. I don't know, should we do it? Should we follow the sketchy redstone trail? Yo, everyone, hit that like button and subscribe if you should follow it. All right, it's not the bell. All right, here we go. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, nothing over there. Ooh, right here. There we go. Why are you still following the trail? You are asking for it. Trust me, guys. In every horror movie, that's exactly what happens, and that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna follow the trail and hope for the best. Look, I told you, Moose Milk Man. Everybody. What the heck is this? What is going on here, man? Why are there skeletons? Oh, he's a fake. I feel like someone's pranking me. I don't know about this. Just kidding, it's a prank, or is it? Oh, this dude. Somebody's definitely pranking me. That looks pretty real to me, man. I don't know. Oh, what's this? Book of Quill. Day 1. The hunt for the Holy Grail Moose Milk has begun. It will give me infinite riches and power. I've gotten a tip that there is a map to finding it. I must read more books. Holy Grail Moose Milk. I know what that is. Okay. I guess Jeff is looking for the Holy Grail Moose Milk. It's kind of lame because, I have my own version of the Holy Grail Moose Milk. It's super secret and hidden and stuff, and I got it from the FNAF World Series. But hey, that's whatever, man. Let's go follow this sketchy trail. But this time it's with Moose Milk. Yay! Ooh, stairs. Ladder. There we go. This is kind of getting sketchy, man. I feel like this is a trap. I don't know, man. It might be a trap or something. What is this? After spending hours reading books, I've discovered the Holy Grail Moose Milk is the king of all moose milks. Made by the gods for all the mooses, it is located inside the daycare. Hidden somewhere far, far away, I must search every spot for it. Wait, what? Since when? Wait, is it more than one Holy Grail Moose Milk? I'm kind of confused right now. And why would it be hidden inside the daycare? Okay, let's do this, man. Ooh, cobwebs. this is a little bit sketchy, man. It's a little bit sketchy over here. Do not enter. You know what? This is exactly what they want us to think, man. In every horror movie, they say don't enter. And what do we gotta do? Of course we gotta enter. Find out what happens. Okay, there we go. We're gonna breach it. Ready? Close the door. Oh, we're good. Ah! Dead body! Ah! Another one. What is this room? These crates? Okay. Check all these crates out. Another dead body. This is getting a little bit sketchy, man. I feel like I'm in like some kind of super top secret agent mission, and I'm trying to find a treasure, or I'm like Indiana Jones with like a treasure hunt movie. There's nothing in the crates over here, so just close it up a little bit. Okay, oh, there we go. The trail redstone things. My precious, I will find you eventually. This is getting a little bit sketchy, my friend. Okay, let's follow this over here. Hello, Jeff, Skylar, where are you guys? Hello? There's more moose milk over here. There's a lot of moose milk, man. That's a lot of moose milk wasted, bro. I always drink my moose milk. My name is a brick of moose. I don't like my big fish and stuff. Okay, so, what's over here? I have searched days for the Holy Grail moose milk. I'm starting to lose my mind. I can't quit yet. I must demolish the daycare for hopes of finding it. Maybe looking at the top floor and underground can help. I feel like Jeff is 100% losing it because I'm pretty sure he's got no idea that, whatever. We're going to find out ourselves. Okay, let's go ahead. I kind of like ate something over here. That was kind of sketchy. There we go. Before I head to the top floor, I must check every inch of the downstairs floor. Okay. All right. I must find the Holy Grail moose book. It's the only way. Ah, the body. Hey, moose book. Okay, cool. So where does this lead to? Ah, pigs! But the thing is, that's all closed off. I don't see any trails over there. And oh, hold on. I see moose book and more redstone. Ninja. Nice. I'm Ninja from another ninja. My name is MooseCraft. Hold on. Who's here? Hello? 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 Oh, okay, never mind. Let's go. I have looked everywhere, yet no luck. It's time for the final result, the top floor. Well, this is kind of lame, man. I mean, I thought it was going to be a little bit cooler and all, but I don't know. Jeff seems very, very dedicated for finding the Holy Grail moose book. But all right, let's go to the top floor, all the way to the top floor, and hopefully we're going to find out the Holy Grail moose book. Let's go. All right, awesome. So top floor. How do we even get up there, man? Let's find out. I don't think there's a staircase there. I don't seem like it. Okay, let's go over here. Oh, wait. No, it's closed off. What? Where do we go? Jeff! Hello! You know, I thought this was going to be a joke and all, but it does not seem like a joke at all, man. I think Jeff really got crazy there. It's probably because, like, you know, he spent all his money repairing the daycare, and then he blew all his budget because of his bad spending. But hey, listen, I ain't no guy to judge this, all right? It's what it is. You know, it's problem solving, man. Okay, boom. I can feel it. We're so close. Jeff is definitely 100% losing his mind. What's this? I know that it's here. Okay. The Holy Grail moose milk will be mine. I need it. That's a very loud I need it. Okay, awesome. I need the moose milk. I mean, you got plenty of moose milk and all. Oh, God. Here goes a sketchy room. Hello? Oh, no. Hello? Stop. Did you see that? What is that demon over there? Oh, is that Jeff? Hey, Jeff. Hey, buddy. Jeff. He's found gold and iron. I mean, I guess he's pretty rich right now. What's he doing? Hi, Jeff! Hey! Jeff! It's me! It's me, Moose! I communicate through steak. Hey! Do you understand my language of the gorilla? I've been looking for 45 years. Yeah, wait, what do you mean 45 years? Jeff, it's been like... Jeff, we robbed the bank yesterday. It's been a day. My mouse milk! Jeff, what's wrong? Hold on. Jeff, my precious! Jeff, are you good? I think you're losing it, man. I really... My precious! Jeff, you just shook the daycare. Moose milk. Jeff, relax. You got 1 moose milk, 2 moose milk, 3 moose milk. Trust me, you got plenty of moose milk, man. I need to find the right one. Jeff, relax. What are you looking for? Huh? I mean, I kind of know what you're looking for because I saw all the signs, like the blood and all the signs and stuff and books. The Holy Grail! The Holy Grail what? The Holy Grail moose milk! Jeff, you know, I'll be completely honest with you, man. Who even told you about it? Like, who told you about the Holy Grail moose milk? And who told you that I was in the daycare? Huh? Who told you? Thick Boss! Oh, Brick Boss? Yo, he's just pranking you, man. Wow, I really can't believe you fell for it. Dude, I talked to Brick Boss along Sunlight! For the first time. Jeff, it's been like 5 hours. In 45 years! Well, I guess, in Moose years, time moves quick, right? Okay. All right, Jeff. You realize that I told Brick Boss to prank you, right? And I guess that's how he pranked you. I still can't believe that worked. Jeff, I just gotta tell you something, bro. First of all, the Holy Grail Moose Milk, I got it like 2 years ago in the FNAF World series from like Golden Freddy and stuff, from Virtual Freddy. I have the Holy Grail Moose Milk. Brick Boss has no humor genes. I removed them. Jeff, I have the Holy Grail Moose Milk locked away in a safe super far away, and I don't even know where it's located at because I removed the code from my brain. Trust me. I know. What? Yeah, dude, yo, did you not know the Moose Milk guys told me that I could have it? You have it? Yeah, bro, I defeated Virtual Freddy and I got it, and then it's for the FNAF World series, you know, the really long series. It's like 100 episodes and stuff, like 3 seasons. My precious Moose Milk. Jeff, listen. I don't know where it is, first of all. It's locked away far away, and the guys told me that I can't give it to anybody else, especially not Madman, okay, Jeff? So, before you go on a crazy rage spree, listen, Jeff, let me tell you something. The Holy Grail Moose Milk does give you infinite riches. It is amazing, and let me tell you one more thing. Come closer. Come here. Why would you do this? Jeff, it's not me. It's Brick Boss. I need money for my daycare funds. Jeff, come here. I gotta whisper something in your ear. Jeff, you're not worthy of the Holy Grail Moose Milk. Ha! Bye, Jeff! Yeah! Big fist up, and I'm gone. Okay. Wait, what? Oh, stop. Oh, no. We gotta go. Jeff wants to find the Holy Grail Moose Milk. He will never find it. Ha! Oh, no, Jeff! What's that money? Ah! Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you all did enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. And slap the bell, leave a like, and I'll see you all tomorrow with a new video. Bye!